Namaste, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta. Today I want to narrate a story about Kanifnath, who was called Krishna Acharya, Krishnapad, Kanhupad, Acharya Charyappa, Kanari Nath, Kanhoba, and Kanuppa also. He was the ninth Mahayogi of Shaivik Navnath Sampradaya of Vajrayana Tantra. He was born in 10th century in Sompuri in Brahmin family in Bengal. He was the disciple of Jalandhar Nath. He was an arrogant yogi and gets into conflict with Gorakhnath and used to challenge Baba Gorakhnath. He was initiated in Vajra Mandala Sadhana. He visited Sri Lanka. He was very proud about his powerful stage, having thousands of paranormal and invisible, also visible disciples. When he was moving towards ocean in Sri Lanka, he was immediately drawn in sea, struggling with waves. He thought he is more powerful than his master, the Guru Jalandhar Nath. When Guru Jalandhar Nath appeared above in air and saved Kanifnath, then he came to know that powers he possesses were not enough. He met a magician girl on Shri Parbat in South India. Her curse get Kanifnath in dreadful state and he died of that curse. Kanifnath temple is located in Madhi near Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. Main shrine is in a closed room and only men are allowed to enter that room. There is very small window in the door. Opening in the door, the visitors crawl through that small opening measuring only 1.5 feet to visit the deity. He could walk in air. Once he entered at the area of weavers. He got surprised by watching that broken threads were getting joined automatically by the powers of those weavers. Baba Gorakhnath taught him that addiction to power can lead to a man of indiscriminate mind to destruction. Once samadhi is obtained, the yogi can choose to be absorbed into Paramhans state with Param Brahm or can retain his body and stay on earth possessing all the siddhis. My namaskar to all the sages. Namaskar.